Good afternoon, class. This is your instructor, Dr. Mike. I teach IT 140 at snhu.edu, and today I'm going to talk about PyCharm and integrated development environments. Specifically, what happens if you cannot install PyCharm or another Python integrated development environment, IDE? Well, there are options for you. One is to use an online Python interpreter. So today I'm going to talk about that, where you can find free online Python interpreters that do not require you to install PyCharm or Python. Note, this is not an optimal method to do your homework, but it does work. So let's talk about that. You have no IDE. Where do you go? Well, you can go here. This is one free online Python interpreter, replit.com/languages/python3. If you go there, you can start writing code. So let's do that. Tab, and we've gone to replit.com languages python 3. We are here. Okay, now you will see an online environment where you can start writing and testing Python code. They have a hello world print statement here. It prints out hello world. Okay, so how do we complete the assignments, save the output, the programs as a Python text file, and then upload those into Brightspace to get graded? Well, it's pretty simple. First, always read the instructions for your assignment. In this case, we are supposed to prompt the user for their name and their age, and then calculate when they were born. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We don't need this hello world statement anymore, so we're just gonna say name equals, oops, let's do lowercase, name equals input, what is your name? All right, age equals int input, how old are you? All right, so notice that I get the input, which returns a string. Then I convert that to an integer, calling the int function, and then I save that in variable age. Then let's go ahead and calculate when they were born, and then print that out. According to the message here, we're supposed to say, hello, your name, you were born in the year that we calculate. All right, so we just say print hello, name, you were born in, and then we're going to say 2022 minus age. It's the easiest way to do it. There are other ways, but that'll work. What is your name? Mike. Let's say I'm 21. I was born in 2001. Problem solved. The current year is 2022. Subtract the age that they entered, and out comes when you were born. Note, this is not the best age calculator, but according to the requirements of the program, this is all we had to do. That's it. And I did all this using an online interpreter. Now, once the program is written, because you're not using an IDE, which will automatically save the file to a certain location for you on your hard drive, you must take this code, copy it, and then save it to a file. So if you're using Windows, you can use Notepad or some other text editor. In the Mac case, I just had this little text edit program for the Mac, and whatever your text editor is, just paste that code into that text editor, and then you're going to save that file. Save it as, and then give it whatever name that they asked for. And they want you to save the program with the name nameage.py. That stands for Python. .py are Python files. Those are nothing more than just text files with a .py extension. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save it to some place. And then later, in Brightspace, to complete the assignment, I will upload that Python file that I just saved to my local hard drive. And that's it. That is how you can solve this assignment, Module 2 assignment, if you do not have PyCharm and Python installed. Note, it's better that you actually install Python and PyCharm because your other assignments will be more easily solved if you have an IDE, an integrated development environment, installed. Okay, but if you don't, then using an online interpreter will work. Alright class, that's it. I hope this helps you for those who cannot install or run PyCharm on your local machine. Have a great day and good luck. Bye.